ICTQual is offering you Level 5 Diploma in Electrical Engineering, 240 credits, 2 years. Program is designed to equip you with advanced knowledge and practical skills essential for a successful career in electrical engineering. This advanced diploma is tailored for those looking to enhance their technical skills. Whether you're an aspiring engineer or an experienced professional aiming to deepen your knowledge in the field, throughout this course, you'll explore key areas including electrical circuits, control systems, electrical power systems, and automation. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 24 mandatory units which will be completed in 2 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 240 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundation and Core Knowledge, 120 credits. Year 2, Advanced Applications and Specialization, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring electrical engineers, mid-level professionals, career switchers, students advancing in education, entrepreneurs and innovators. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 5 years of verified experience in electrical engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictqlab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.